Learning a programming language can be a rewarding and valuable skill. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to learn a programming language effectively. Choose the right language. Start by researching and selecting a programming language that aligns with your goals. Some popular choices for beginners include Python, JavaScript, and Ruby due to their simplicity and versatility. Set clear goals. Define your objectives for learning the language. Are you learning it for web development, data analysis, or something else? Having clear goals will keep you motivated. Gather learning materials. Find high-quality learning resources such as online tutorials, textbooks, video courses, and interactive coding platforms. Some recommended platforms include Code Academy, Coursera, edX, and Free Code Camp. Understand basic concepts. Start with the fundamentals like variables, data types, loops, conditionals, and functions. Build a solid foundation in these core concepts before moving on to more advanced topics. Practice regularly. Programming is a skill that improves with practice. Code daily, even if it's just for a short time. Solve coding challenges, work on small projects, and experiment with what you've learned. Work on projects. Apply your knowledge by working on real projects. Start with simple projects and gradually increase complexity as you become more confident. Building projects is a great way to reinforce your skills. Read code. Study existing code written by experienced developers. Open source projects on platforms like GitHub can be a valuable resource for learning coding best practices and different coding styles. Seek help and collaboration. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Online communities like Stack Overflow and Reddit's programming subreddits are excellent places to get answers to your programming questions. Consider collaborating on projects with others to learn from their experience. Take online courses. Enroll in online courses or coding boot camps if you prefer structured learning. These programs often provide a guided path and mentorship to accelerate your learning. Document your learning. Keep a coding journal or blog where you document your progress, challenges you've faced, and solutions you've found. Explaining concepts in your own words can deepen your understanding. Stay updated. Technology evolves quickly. Stay updated with the latest trends and updates in the programming language you're learning. Follow tech news, blogs, and social media accounts related to your chosen language. Join coding communities. Participate in online coding communities, forums, and meetups. Engaging with others who share your interests can be motivating and provide opportunities for learning and networking. Teach others. One of the best ways to solidify your knowledge is by teaching it to others. Help beginners and contribute to forums or online tutorials. Teaching forces you to understand concepts deeply. Be patient and persistent. Learning a programming language can be challenging, and you may encounter obstacles. Stay patient, persistent, and embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Celebrate your successes along the way. Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your projects and code samples. A portfolio is a valuable asset when applying for jobs or freelance opportunities. Consider advanced topics. Once you're comfortable with the basics, explore more advanced topics like data structures, algorithms, design patterns, and frameworks related to your chosen language. Never stop learning. Technology is constantly evolving. Continue learning, exploring new languages, and expanding your skill set throughout your programming journey. Remember that learning to program is a gradual process, and everyone progresses at their own pace. Stay dedicated, keep learning, and enjoy the journey of mastering a new programming language.